Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the Sonos Era 100 speaker. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out. Powered by a 47% faster processor and a cutting-edge dual-tweeter acoustic architecture, the Sonos Era 100 produces outstanding stereo separation and deep, rich bass. The midwoofer, now 25% larger, ensures a more robust low-frequency response, making music, podcasts, and movies more immersive than ever. Whether you're enjoying classical music, bass-heavy beats, or crisp vocals, the Era 100 delivers clarity and depth that's hard to match. The compact design of the Era 100 makes it incredibly versatile. It fits seamlessly on a bookshelf, kitchen counter, desk, or nightstand without compromising on style or sound quality. Its minimalist and elegant aesthetics ensure it blends perfectly into any space, whether modern or traditional. One of the standout features is its connectivity versatility. With support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even auxiliary input via the Sonos line-in adapter, the Era 100 adapts to your preferences. The ability to pair a Bluetooth device at the press of a button is a welcome addition, and the option to connect a turntable adds a nostalgic touch for vinyl enthusiasts. Setting up the Sonos Era 100 is a breeze. Simply plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and use the Sonos app to get started. The app's Trueplay tuning technology customizes the speaker's EQ based on the room's acoustics, ensuring optimal sound quality regardless of placement. The integration of Alexa provides convenient hands-free control, making it easy to play music, adjust settings, or control other smart devices. Why it stands out: multi-room audio, pair multiple Sonos speakers for an expansive audio experience. Sustainability: Sonos has focused on eco-friendly design, using sustainable materials in its construction. Future-proof: regular updates ensure the speaker stays at the forefront of technology. The Sonos Era 100 is not just a speaker, it's an investment in exceptional sound and smart home convenience. Whether you're an audiophile or simply looking for a versatile, stylish speaker, this device ticks all the boxes. With its powerful performance, ease of use, and cutting-edge features, it sets a new benchmark for smart speakers. Highly recommended. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out.